Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I just posted one video and disappeared for 6 months straight, but honestly salute to those YouTubers who are consistent because this takes a lot of effort. But no worries, I'm here for it. I will try my best this time. So please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more updates. And today we are doing a huge Savannah haul. Everything is Pinterest vacation coded. Tops, dresses, t-shirts, everything. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Starting with one of my favorite tops, this bubble top, so cute. I didn't expect this to look so flattering on me. I mean, just look at it. The material is so nice and the fit is 10 on 10. I love everything which has tie-ups. It's so cute. I got these two crop tees. Again, super cute. I don't like t-shirts which are very fitted, so these are just perfect. First up, this one which says "My love is mine, all mine." This is so Pinterest coded and the material is so soft. And this one which has Margarita written on it, it gives like easy breezy summer vibes. And again, it's pink. And this tube top which comes with a rose-like necklace, like it's already accessorized for you, and it also comes with a silicone lining which makes it very comfy to wear. Also, it has little tie-up detail. Like, what more do I need in a top? Like, someone please take me to Greece already. And this one, it's straight out of Pinterest. The cherry print screams summer. It has ruffle detailing in the neckline, tie-up detailing. The straps are adjustable. It's cotton. Like, it's a perfect summer top. Looks so cute. This white halter neck top which comes with a very cute golden floral applique detailing. This looks so stunning. I paired it with a dark blue denim slit skirt and it was looking so flattering on me. I just felt like a diva in that. Again, this dark pink halter neck top. I think I've bought way too many halter neck tops, but this is so cute and perfect for a beach vacation. I mean, this screams take me to Bali please. Just imagine it with a dark blue denim shorts or a like normal denim shorts, a lot of accessories, sunglasses. Perfect. This will look so cute. I never buy black, but this one looks so elegant, like one shoulder, a cut with a pearl detailing. It's giving rich girl on the brunch kind of an energy, and it looks so stunning. Basic but cute. In this pink halter neck tweed kind of a top. Pink is my toxic trait at this point. Anything pink, just add to the cart. If you don't care about the material so much, you can get this, but if you are just like me who cares about the material like a bit too much, then you can skip this one. Moving on to dresses. First up, this white one. It has ruffles, it has tie-ups, it looks so cute, soft, feminine kind of vibe which I absolutely love, and the fabric is really nice. Actually, I didn't expect this good quality from Savannah, but it's really nice. Like, I can't wait to do a picnic photo shoot in this dress. Then moving on to the last item of this haul, this maxi dress. Lately, I'm a lot into maxi dresses. This one also has pockets, it's printed, it's cotton. I just love it. The only thing I don't like about this dress is the straps. The straps look a bit cheap, but it's fine. I will hide it with my hair. So okay, it looks like a cord set, but it's a dress, which is the best part. That's it for my huge Savannah haul video. Comment down below your favorite look, and I don't know who is watching this video, but thank you for being here. I hope you stay because I really need your company in this journey. Also, do let me know if you all have any video recommendations, and do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.